Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. Welcome to the Department of Chemistry. I love chemistry because it is the science that explains how atoms and molecules come together to create the world around us.
As an undergraduate, you can expect to be exposed to a wide variety of different fields of chemistry. We have a pretty wide breadth of expertise that goes from the most fundamental to the most applied.
It is very important to us that our students are well-rounded and experts in their field. They have access to expertise and literally across the entire department.
We want every student in our department to have a wonderful experience, and that begins with strong support right from the start.
It's really an honor to work with students and to build trust with them, and then to show them what I know, and then to learn from them as well, because you give them tools and then they go out and find more things. And so that's really exciting.
So we design our experiments in the lab to be hands-on and fun and looking at different materials.
We have a mix of in-classroom learning and in-lab learning, where you learn the practical skills that you will take to either the workplace or to graduate school.
We have both external collaborators from outside the university, and then we have some internal. So we do have great and immense network of collaborations within the group.
We also believe that the best way to learn chemistry is by doing chemistry.
We have a very diverse research field. It goes all the way from materials chemistry that can be quite close to engineering and physics all the way to health sciences.
So the idea behind what we do is that it's everyday thing, but don't really think about all that often when they think about chemistry. Those have to be made somewhere, and that's what synthetic chemists do.
My work is in developing electrochemical methods to detect the presence of resistance in bacterial cells.
Our work is entitled Estimating Dietary Exposure to Polycyclic Aromatic Compounds from Food-Grade Plastics. And I think environmental chemistry often has a lot of ties to human health. So these packs have been shown to cause problems to the environment, and they've been shown to be detrimental to humans as well.
Chemistry is at the heart of solving the world's biggest challenges. A degree in chemistry opens doors to an incredible range of careers.
Chemists are being found just everywhere. We contribute to research in academia, but also in research in industry and in government.
They can do like forensic chemistry, cosmetic chemistry, food chemistry. So there are a lot of different stuff that the students can do if they have a chemistry background.
Also, I have found different opportunities for awards, for scholarships, which was essential to me through this journey.
In our department, inclusion means making sure everyone feels they belong. We celebrate the diverse contributions of everyone in our department. Our culture is built on openness, and we are working hard to ensure that our teaching and research spaces are accessible to all.
We try to encourage all students, if they have any problems, if they have any questions, they can always come and talk to the instructors, and we always try to help them and do our best to support them.
Ever since I started, I found a very friendly space. My graduate students, colleagues are really supportive, and I found a very supportive and friendly lab to work with.
When it's not related to research, you get the opportunity to interact with colleagues, talk about their research, and sometimes get opportunity to also take time off research and to talk about casual things.
Being a teaching assistant at University of Manitoba, I love interacting with students and sharing what I know. So they have many concerns about how science program works and also science-related projects, and it's great to see them succeed and grow.
Our student clubs and networks, including our Chem Club, Working for Inclusivity, and 2S LGBTQ+ in STEM, help build a strong sense of community.
Here at the Chemistry Club, our main focus is to support the undergraduates of the chemistry department. We host regular study nights where students can work together, ask questions, and get help in a casual environment. We also help organize events like research nights, guest talks, and student outreach. We aim to provide students with accessible opportunities, either to those who are new to the program or for those who are looking to get involved.
Inclusion also extends beyond our walls. We work with schools and communities to inspire young scientists who may not see themselves represented in science today.
If you're looking for some of the best and to be in the most calmest of place, the most welcoming of place, it's in the friendly Manitoba. So you find both friends experts, and then a great place to research.
We have an incredible amount of access to instrumentation and to actually using them, hands-on, using things like NMRs and diffractometers and being able to actually go in the lab and touch them and feel them. And I think that's a huge benefit in any career choice.
The Department of Chemistry at the University of Manitoba really stands out because of its collaborative nature. We have high standards. We really like to put our students first whenever we have an opportunity.
The Department of Chemistry here at the University of Manitoba is a wonderful place to study. It was Nobel laureate Alan MacDiarmid has said that we live in a materials-limited world. So we can dream of all sorts of things, but right now, what's limiting us, what's keeping us from the future, from amazing applications, are new materials. And this is where chemistry come in. We make new stuff.
With chemistry, you don't just prepare for a career, you prepare to make a difference.